Good morning students, I am Shweta Jain of GK Jain School, Raipuram. Today we are going to learn Geometry first lesson of 3rd standard. What are the shapes in our 3rd standard? We are going to learn. Let's start our class. Before starting the class, if you like our video, click on the like button and subscribe the ring bell. Subscribe the bell button, GK Jain School, Raipuram. Let's start our class. Construction of 2D shapes, Geometry 3rd standard, Geometry, Geometry. The shapes all will come in our which lesson students? Geometry. Very good, okay. So first shape, what is our first shape students? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Properties of square. What is this? Properties of square. So what is called square? This is our diagram square. See, AB, BC, CD, AD. This is our square. What are the properties? Let's see. Square, it has 4 sides. What are the sides? AB, BC, CD, AD. So what are the sides? AB, BC, CD, AD. Square has 4 corners. How many corners? 4 corners. What are the corners? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. These are our corners. Square has 2 diagonals. Where are the diagonals? See. This is our diagonal AC. What is our diagonal? AC. And this is another diagonal BD. So what are our diagonals? AC is equal to BD. Why? Because in square all 4 sides are equal. In square, what is it square? All 4 sides are equal. I am going to explain you again. In this video, we will learn the square shapes and properties of the shapes. Let's go to our other shape, rectangle. Okay, it is very easy. See, square. Full common, has common. 4 sides, 4. 2 diagonals, all 4 sides are equal. But you have to learn one time, then only you can remember very easily. Okay, let's go for a rectangle. Let's see rectangle. Now what we have seen? We have seen square. Now it's rectangle. Okay. Rectangle. Properties of rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay. How you have to draw rectangle? P-Q-R-R-S-P-S. Okay. This is our rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. What are equal? Opposite sides. What are our opposite sides? P, Q, R, S. Opposite. Q, R, P, S. Q, R is opposite to P, S. So, these two opposite sides are equal. Okay. Rectangle has 4 sides. What are our sides, students? Now only I said PQ, QR, RS, PS. So these are our sides. PQ, QR, RS and SP or PS. Okay. Rectangle has 4 corners. CORNERS, 4 corners. What are our corners? P, Q, R, S. So, where are their corners? P, Q, R, S, our corners. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. What are diagonals? Where are diagonals? See, from P to R is a diagonal, PR. Q to S is a diagonal, so QS. So what are our diagonals? Two diagonals. In rectangle, we have to keep in our mind that opposite sides are equal, and rectangle also have four sides, four corners, two diagonals. Okay, it is clear, but you have to practice at home, then only you can learn very easily. Okay, next we will go for a triangle. Okay. Now what we learn, students? We learn about square, rectangle. Now we are going to learn about triangle. Triangle. What is this? Triangle has three sides. So what are the sides of our triangle? Three sides. AB, BC and AC. Next is our triangle has three corners. So what are our corners? A, B, C. Triangle has three sides, A, B, B, C and AC. Triangle has three corners. So what are the corners? A, B, C. In triangle we are not having any diagonals. And in triangle we can't say that triangle all sides are equal because we have many types of triangles. For example, what we are having? We are having isosceles triangle, means two sides equal. Okay. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Three sides equal. Two sides equal. No sides are equal are called scalene triangle. Means no sides are equal. Scalene triangle, so we can't say that in triangle any sides are equal corners because we have types. So during the exam, what you have to write? You have to write only triangle has three sides, three corners. What are the sides? A, B, B, C, AC. Corners A, B, C. Okay, so these are all you will learn about in your further classes. What you will learn? When you will go to the 5th or 6th standard, then you will learn about scalene, isosceles, equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle means no sides are equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Equilateral means all the sides are equal. Okay, is it clear? Now the other shape, last but one shape, what is our circle? Okay, just 1 minute, we will go back to the screws. What we learn about, students? First shape square, rectangle, triangle, and now what we are learning? Circle. Okay. So this is our circle. You can draw the circle using a bottle cap, a small bangle or 1 rupee coin, 10 rupees coin. You can use it and you can draw the circle. Okay. So what is our first? Circle has no sides. In circle we are not having any side because it is full of round curve. Okay. Circle has no corners. We are not having any corner just like square, rectangle, triangle. Circle has a center point O. Yeah, this is our center point O. So what the circle is having? Circle is having only one center point as O. If they will ask you in fill-ups, what you have to say? Circle has a center point, only one center point. If they say you two center points means it is false. Only one center point. I think it is all clear for you. What are about the 2D shapes, how you have to draw, and then what are the properties of our 2D shapes, right? So these are the properties of our 2D shapes. You can learn very easily, but you have to practice at home once. Okay. Thank you all. Love you all, students. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe our school GK Chain School Raipuram. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.